Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of Earth Day, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Among Us Earth Day CREWMATE skin. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Earth Day Among Us character, we're going to begin right here on our paper and we're going to make the face shield. We want to begin by making a nice line that's just going to curve around. And then we're just going to make a little line that's going to come down. Starting up here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up, and it's going to go out and in. Then we're going to jump over the face shield. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down. We're going to make a little line that's going to go over and up. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come over. We're going to go down, over, and then up for the legs. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a little line here and a little line here. We're going to start here. We're going to make a line that's going to come down and up. Then it's going to go up and down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up to here, and that's going to come down to here. I'm going to start by making a little line in here, and a little line in here. And I'm going to make a couple little lines, like some V shapes in here. Now, starting over here, right next to the eye, we're going to draw a line that goes out. We're going to bring it down, and then right over to here, kind of where the legs are. Now, we want this to kind of look like the earth, so we're going to add like a little earth pattern onto here. Now, to start off with this, I'm going to begin up here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to come down. It's going to be kind of wiggly, and it's going to come back to here. Now, right over here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come down. It's going to come back, and then come down to here. Over here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to come down. It's going to come to a point, and then down here. And then it's going to come down here and go to there. Over here, we're going to, well, actually, we'll start down here, and we'll make a little line that's just going to come down, and it's going to go up. And we'll make a little line that's going to pop up here, and it's going to go over, and then come up to here. Then over here, I'm just going to make a little line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down to here. And I'm going to make a little bit of a line over here. And starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that comes down here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Among Us Earth Day CREWMATE skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.